multiple parameters. In this session, we're gonna talk about the defined function with the multiple parameters. We will pass more than one parameter to the defined function with the two arguments. Example number 5. Define my data of first name, comma last name, and then print of my name is comma first name, comma last name. Print of I can speak German language, and my data of Moein, comma Udin. When you run it, you will get this output. My name is Moinuddin. I can speak German language. Look at here, we have two arguments with the multiple parameters. Multiple parameter means that you can pass more than one parameter. More than one parameter. Look at here, we have two parameters, first name and last name, 1 and 2. These are two parameters. With the two arguments, we have two arguments. What are arguments? Arguments are the actual piece of information which we give for the parameters. So for the first name we have Moein, for the last name we have Udin. This is for the first name for the first parameter, and this is for the second parameter Udin. Udin for the second parameter. So we already know that defined function receives the call here at the end. So first it receives the call here, pass information above, it activates. We know that the first name is Moein, the last name is Udin. Then the print functions execute. So we will have my name is, from here up to here is this red name, my name is. Whatever you put inside the quotes, it will be printed here. And then comma, first name. We know that the first name, the information for the first name is Moein. So you will have Moein. And for the last name is Udin. So you will have for the first name Moein, for the last name Udin. Therefore you will have my name is Moinuddin. And then the other print function, I can speak German language. I can speak German language. So these two lines, these two expressions will be the output of this program. Look at here, we have multiple parameters. Multiple parameter means that more than one parameter. This is the first parameter, this is the second parameter. So we have two parameters here with the two pieces of informations. For the first parameter is Moein, for the second parameter is Udin. So make sure you must pass the information, you must pass the argument for the parameter, otherwise you will get error. If you skip this information, you will get an error. And we know that defined function receives the call here at the end. It receives the call here and then it passes to the top, and then the print function activates. So we will have print of my name is Moein, because first name is Moein and last name is Udin. So we're gonna have my name is Moinuddin. And then the other print function, I can speak German language. You can add more print functions. So the more you have the print functions, the more you're gonna have the expressions in the output. Let me take again the same example, but this time I'm gonna take the formatted string. F, my name is first name, and then space last name. And with the print of I can speak German language, and then my data of Moein, comma Udin. When you run it, you will get exactly the same output. There is no difference in the output here. Look, when you compare this with the previous one, it is absolutely the same. The only difference is the formatted string. In this case, we have formatted string. Last time we had only simple expression. So for the formatted string, you have to put F stands for the formatted string, and then comma, my name is, and then first name inside the curly brackets, Moein, first name is Moein, and then space. If you put a space, you will get a space. If you don't put a space, you won't get a space here. So space and then last name inside the curly brackets. So you will get exactly the same thing. My name is Moinuddin. And then the second print function, print of I can speak German language. So I can speak German language. The output is the same. There is no difference in the output. So you can opt in for anyone. Whether you use the formatted string or the simple expression, it is absolutely up to you. There's no difference in the output.